All right, welcome back to the channel. I was going to show you guys a little bit of a walk around on my old '59 Ford, but I still work for a living. I'm not quite there making it with that YouTube money. Not that I ever expect to do that, but as you can see behind me here, I've got a couple of boxes of parts. And these parts are here for my 300 SD. And, I'm not going to be putting them on today just because it is Sunday and, I have to work tomorrow. And this is going to be a little bit of a project that I'm going to have to take and, do it over a weekend. So possibly next weekend I can get out here and get all of these parts put on. But I just thought I'd show you what parts I ordered and, basically what I'm going to be doing. All right, and in this first box here, if you, can guess, this will be the radiator. This is a Nissan's, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, radiator. I got all of these parts here that you see from FCP Euro. I say all of them. I did get these Gates hoses, which are, a pretty good quality hose. I've been running Gates on, a lot of my vehicles now for quite a while, and they're a pretty good hose. But I just got these at my local auto parts store, which, I found to be kind of amazing that, I could still get, pre-molded hoses, for it. But yeah, pretty much all the rest of these parts I got through FCP Euro. This ain't a sponsored video by any means, but that's just who I like to go through to get my parts. But we got the radiator here. I also got a brand new Mall thermostat and gasket. Brand new Mercedes-Benz radiator clips. I just thought, since I was in there, I would just go ahead and replace those. I got some brand new, and I'm not sure of the, these are Mercedes-Benz also. These are the rubber mounts that go onto the bottom of the radiator, just kind of basically hold it into place. I also got this one. This here is a bypass pipe that goes in between the block and the cylinder head on this car. I thought it looked, simple enough, and I, just thought, while I was in there, I might as well, replace it. One thing I didn't get, though, is the actual bolts that go into here. But, I would say that they're just bolts, but, they're not just bolts. They're a bolt that will actually let water travel through them and up and around through this pipe. But I think I'll be fine without them. And I also got this Mel, I think that's how you pronounce it, water pump. And I can't say that I've ever bought any Mel parts before. But yeah, this is basically the water pump for this 300 SD, and this is basically the water pump for any of these older 5-cylinder turbo diesel Mercedes engines. This here will also fit, basically, any 5-cylinder turbo, and I think non-turbo diesel. But so far it looks like it's, fairly good quality. It came with a new gasket, and yeah, so that's pretty much the parts that I ordered. Oh, and I also got a brand new radiator cap for it, but I already went ahead and put that on just because, I mean, it's a radiator cap. It doesn't take too long at all to put it on there. And I'll show you guys that whenever I go ahead and make the video of me installing all these parts. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the parts that I got. This radiator, I've actually got one of these Nissan's radiators in my old 300 TD wagon, and it's been in there for quite a few years. So, and I haven't really had that much of a problem with it, not really any problems with it. So I think we're pretty good to go with that radiator. Hopefully their quality is as good as what, it was whenever I put the radiator in my wagon. But, only time will tell. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I thought I'd give you guys, just a little bit of a rundown, on the parts that I got, and, what kind of my plans are, and, basically just kind of a rundown of, everything that's, been kind of going on. But yeah, I've been working, quite a bit here. It's Sunday afternoon, and believe it or not, these parts just arrived today. I didn't know that FedEx delivered, on Sundays, but I guess they do, which is cool. But yeah, hopefully I could get the time to get out here next weekend and get all of these parts put on. But until then, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is Johnny_Racer66. You'll see a picture of this old SD, is my basically profile picture. But this kind of is my daily driver. That's the reason why it's so dirty. And if anybody knows that, we had a pretty good snowstorm basically come up through the Midwest all the way up, to the Northeast. And that's just kind of the reason why it's so dirty. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there's more to come. And if you like it, subscribe for more, and give me a like button if you like the video. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.